To install Vellum Wallpapers app, so this is app HD backgrounds for lock screens. So let's just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. Yeah, the only wallpaper app you need, hundreds of high resolution wallpapers created by hand. Create a blurred wallpaper quickly and easily. Preview lock screen and home screen with a tab. New wallpaper packs added regularly and a new wallpaper every day. So enjoy this new pack of 57 summer themed images and don't forget the sunscreen. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So the difference from this app and like hundreds of other wallpaper apps is just, first of all, the quality, especially if you buy the premium subscription here. Yeah, so just the really good quality of the images. You can allow notifications. So here you can see some daily wallpaper. Best of 2022, for example. Then there is like vacation. Latest seasonal pack is here. So then you can just get them there. And yes, some really cool wallpapers, for example. And then I don't know, like you can just go to to their app. But yeah, here you can see some really nice wallpapers. So swipe left and right to scroll through wallpapers. Swipe down to return to the thumbnails. And then if you want, you can just save it. And then, you can also adjust some of the things. You can adjust the blur if you want. You can then see how it will look on your lock screen. You can see how it will look on your home page. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then when you saved to your screen, you can just basically install it. Like, if you just go to settings and then wallpaper and then just customize, I guess. And then, oh wait, you can just tap on the wallpaper and change it from here, or yeah, just add new wallpaper and then just go to photos, and then it automatically, of course, will find out some photos, but you just select all and then you will able to find this latest wallpaper. So there you have it. That's basically the idea. So yeah, but this app has some really nice funky wallpapers, some really nice collections. I don't know if like why the resolution is not the best, or maybe. So yeah, this one seems pretty cool actually. And then yeah, you can just install those. So yeah, all these kinds of wallpapers, you can just give a try, and they are just releasing them as collections. And some weird ones, like some like mushrooms collections, which is also quite cool. So if you're obsessed around wallpapers, definitely give a try to this app. It sees wallpapers not just some like stupid pictures, more like art. They just releasing collections. And then also you can just upgrade to Vellum Premium, no ads. Access the previous 4 weeks of daily wallpapers. This one-time purchase that helps us continue to deliver the best new wallpapers. It also keeps our server running. So purchase for $3. So there you have it. But pretty cool app. Give it a try.